talking
No,
about.
come on.
Hey,
I'm not really doing the screws.
you're doing that. Nobody else
The
is
screws
doing it.
then.
Getting some screws ready. Listen, watch this doesn't pop out. Right?
Sit down there.
I should put one at the top to hold it and then do from the bottom up with it being broke.
Not on here because it's screw. You see, I marked that because it got screwed somewhere. Just put it in the middle of it.
Yeah, see the marks
Yeah.
your mum's done.
Wait. Somewhere where more down. Or somewhere around here. No, screw. Screw. Go up a bit. Because it's screw something.
She puts marks on the wall for you.
Yeah. Yeah, something like
Well, that can just be You want something down there to pull that
because
bottom in.
it's got screw.
Yeah.
You have to do around here. Oh, inside there. Yeah, the one down there. Yeah, that's it.
There's wires coming in at the bottom of that, you know, so you're going to have to...
I'm
you can't
nowhere
just-
near the bottom.
Yeah. Is that a rubbish roll? More to the corner, more to the corner. Yeah. Yeah, well, try it there.
No, screw there, you see? Just round out more down. Because I mark here, screw just here.
All right,
Go
if you
down.
don't go a little bit above it,
Go
you
down
need
bit.
something down there.
No, down bit, yeah. Yeah, นั่นแหละ บรรยากาศดีๆพี่น้องบรรยากาศยามบ่ายขอบคุณทุกคนทุกท่านนะคะยามบ่ายโมงบ่าย 2 บ่าย 3